Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video we are going to be using all, and I mean all, no cheating, all drugstore makeup for today's video. Yes, you heard me right, all drugstore, including my eyebrows. Usually in this channel, you know how I love my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade. That is the only go-to brow product that I did use. But today's video, I did use all of this for my eyebrows. I did use the Ardell Brow Kit. That is what I used for this video. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using all drugstore makeup, please go ahead, keep on watching, and I will zoom you guys in to start the makeup process. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified on all of my future upload. So here you go guys, we're back. I already zoom you in. Again, blemishes on your face. I did the eyebrows off camera just to save us time, and for the first time here on my channel, I did use a drugstore eyebrow. This is the only what I call this powder drugstore that I do have, because you know I am stuck with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. Cutie Patootie is here. I'm making your pizza.
Pizza! I will test.
Okay. Say hi. Hello.
Hello.
I love you.
It looks squished in the camera.
Yeah, because I'm gonna do the eyes.
Oh, so you zoomed in?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. So this is the only what I call this brow product that I do have of drugstore. So it is a struggle doing that eyebrow with this one because I'm so used of the Anastasia, and which we try. I'm not gonna cheat today. On this video, we're gonna do a full face of all drugstore makeup. So I'm gonna go in with the Potty Primer for our lids. Like I do like, oh, can you look at my nails? Nails is done. Because my last video, my nails was broken, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's like, I like having long nails, but when putting your makeup, sometimes it is a struggle. So just putting this one on our lids to prime. And I go set it with this shade right here. It's the Wet n Wild Megaglow Contour. And you all know, I always use this one. Full face of drugstore today. No cheating. So for our eyes, I'm going to use this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And this one is the Phoenix. I have used this one a couple of times now, and I'm pretty much liking this. For our transition color, I'm going to use this brown shade. This one does not have like a shade name. This eyeshadow palette does not. So we're gonna go in for the transition with this brown shade. And then for a second color, I'm gonna go in this one with a Morphe M573 brush. I'm gonna go a little higher on my crease right here. And then I'm gonna go in with a Morphe R37 brush with this pretty red shade right here. We're gonna do like a kind of like a more Phoenix look for today, just to deepen up that crease right here. Ooh, this is red. And for our center of the lid, we're gonna go try to create a halo eye. I'm gonna go in with this yellow shimmer. I hope it would be that yellow. It comes out that yellow the way I wanted it to, but just in case it does not, I would have a backup plan. So just in the center of our lid, gonna try to create a halo look in our eye. so hard when you have like long nails. So it is not coming up as yellow as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. I have a backup. So I'm going to be using this Colourpop Color Shock Shadow in the shade Where We Go. Here We Go Again. So, because this one is yellow, as you can see, that one. I hope. And since we did that on the other eye, I will go in again with this, just to like have it all even. If you made a mistake with your eyes, you have to do the same exact step that you did for the other eye, so it will come out the same. So just to soften the hard edges on our eyeshadow. So here you go. This is gonna be our eye look for today. And now we're gonna go in with our face. So for our face primer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Matte Potty Primer. This one is the bomb.com. A lot of people say this is a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I just usually put it on this side to hide our pores. There you go. And then also I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. You don't really need to do like 2 primers, but since your girl is oily, I need something to mattify my face. And for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect and the shade 07 Sand with a dump beauty blender. This foundation is really buildable. And for our concealer, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer to conceal those eyes, to just brighten up our face a little bit. We go in right here. Now we look a little bit scary. So just to set all of that concealer, I'm gonna go in with that Wet n Wild and set that part of our face. Make sure you blended everything, no creasing, before setting that one. And then we're gonna go bake our face. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder. This is the one that I'm gonna use to set my face today, to bake my face today. There you go. So for our bronzer, I did get this one at Target, but I don't think that this is my shade at all. Like for me, I think this one is gonna be a little bit too light for my skin tone. I don't even know if it's gonna show up in the camera. This one you have to like really build it since we got the wrong shade. So it is not picking up because we did get like the wrong shade. We got a lighter one. So I'm just gonna go in with the bronze side right here of that Wet n Wild that we have been using and bronze up our cheeks. And then just to cover this up, because we have, if you get a little messy, you can also carve that one. And while we're baking that part of our face, I'm gonna go sweep this away. I think I want to bronze up my forehead a little bit more. My nose is itchy. So for our blush, I have been loving this Milani Luminoso. This is kind of like a dupe from the NARS Orgasm. It looks exactly the same, and this one is a fraction of the price of the Orgasm. This is like the exact dupe of that one. Of course, for my drugstore favorite, for the highlighter, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Megaglow. This is just a highlight from, you know, you can see from Pluto. You will shine all the way to Mars with this one. You want a beaming highlight that, you know, it's not gonna break your bank. This is the one. So I kind of like it, put it all over my face. See that? See that shine right there? Ooh la la. Sweeping this bake away. So if you don't really like that, like super cut like that, you're just gonna go in with your brush that is like no product and just like blend it upwards. And now we're gonna finish off our under eye. I'm going back with this shade right here. Just put it all over the under eye until we look like a raccoon, as always. This one serves like our transition color, but for our under eye. And then I'm gonna go back in with the red shade, with this red shade that we use on our top lid. Now we look like a parrot, not a raccoon. At least there's something different in this video. So just to blend the harsh line together, I'm gonna go in with this mustard yellow shade just to kind of soften up that under eye. And we still look like a raccoon, a parrot, or whatever. But it will all come together once we do put our falsie. Yes, I'm gonna put falsie today for this look. So I did get this Pixie Endless Silky pen in the shade of, so that would be the shade. And I think I'm going to use that one. Because I'm going to use this just to brighten up, open up our eye. It's actually not showing up on our waterline. I also got this NYX. I just got this. I haven't even opened this one. So this one is the NYX Professional Makeup Pure White. I want the waterline to be white. I know I still look crazy, but trust the process. It's all gonna come in together. So I know we still look like, you know, raccoon and whatever, but it's all gonna come together. Trust me. So for our lips, I wanted to try this. I wanted to use this one, or I wanted to use this one. Let's try this one. Oh well, we're just gonna go for the bang. So this is the Milani Amore matte lipstick, and this one is red. And before I do my lashes on camera, no, off camera, I'm going to spray my face with the e.l.f. setting mist. This is the Matte Magic Mist. So we're almost done with our look. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. It's hurting my eye. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna do my lashes and my bottom lashes off camera, and I will be right back. So here you go, guys. This is our finished look. Lashes on, bottom and top, and I'm pretty liking this look. But yes, I like this look, but it's sultry, fiery with the golden tone in it. So this is like, you know, I created this look using all of drugstore makeup. So it's like, you know, you don't need all high-end makeup. You don't need all those expensive makeup to create a beautiful look, just like this one. So I hope you do guys like it. because I'm pretty liking this one. So I just did my lashes. I used the Ardell 252. That is only the lashes that I can actually put on. And then for our bottom lash, I did use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I'm trying to look for it. Yeah, for our bottom lash, I did use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. I love this one. This one has been a holy grail. And also the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So you do need to have all of those expensive makeup in order to create such a beautiful look like this. So I hope you do guys like this video for today, which we created like, hold on, I'm looking at it. Ooh. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like this look that I created for you today. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you on my next video. For the other one, I'm gonna be using makeups that I did get from Sephora haul. But this is, I did create this video just for you guys to know. You don't need all of those fancy, expensive products. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.